Hey, so welcome back to the shop. I know you're all anxious to hear the winner of the giveaway, and we'll get to that in just a minute. First, let's talk about some stuff. So first off, I have been, as you've seen in my videos, doing a lot of these pencil projects. Started off with the yo-yo, the pencil yo-yo. Did the secret wood pencil pot, which I'm still super proud of this one. I really like how this one turned out. Super happy about that. My next video, here's a little sneak peek of my next video. I made a sphere using the failed blank from the secret wood pot. I got a couple more pencil projects coming just because I still have some leftovers from these other projects. I made the pencil succulent pot. I don't have it here, but here's a picture of it. And what I had left over from that was this block here. So that's the other half of that blank. And I have this, which is a leftover from this blank. So I'm going to take these two leftovers and make something out of them. So keep an eye out for that video. And I have this left over from this same block. This is the very top of the pencils. I've been pouring my, if I had any leftover resin from the last couple of projects, I would pour it and starting to fill this in. I'm going to take it and make a block out of it, and I want to turn another sphere out of this. So you'll see on the end, it'll look like this, but on the inside it'll be clear, and you'll be able to see the sharpened part of the pencils. I think that would be really cool. So also stay tuned for that. Speaking of the spheres, if anyone's wondering about in my sphere video, which will come out soon, how the hard part of making a sphere is how do you hold it. So you're turning it this way, that's easy, but once you cut it off and you want to make it round this way, you got to have a way to hold it. So I made these blocks out of some hardwood flooring. They're just little cones. This one I just put in the chuck, and this one fits over my live center, and it holds the sphere so you can turn it every which direction. On the insides I dished it out so that it would hold a sphere, and then I put a little piece of leather so that it wouldn't mar up, because this is hickory, it's pretty hard wood. If I'm squeezing on this with hard wood, it might put an indentation in the resin or something. So put this little piece of leather to give it a little bit of a cushion, and it worked out really well. In my first sphere video, I just kind of threw together something like this, but they didn't work great. But they did well. They did okay for that project. But this is a more permanent solution. Another cool thing for you reclaimers out there, I'm working on the hardwood flooring in my house. So if you saw my reclaimed shift knob video that I did a while back, I made a shift knob out of reclaimed hardwood flooring. I've got all kinds of hardwood flooring cutoffs, and I can glue them up into blanks. I made this mallet out of hardwood flooring. I made these out of the hardwood flooring. This is the other end of the blank that I made these out of. So I can make something out of that. This was all just gonna go in the burn pile. This is what the blank looks like. You can see the tongue and groove from the flooring. So yeah, this is good hickory turning stock. It turns really well, and it keeps from going in the garbage. There's the end piece from that last one. Make a little art piece out of that, a little cityscape. Anyway, I digress. Let's get back to the giveaway. So I'm filming this before I've drawn a winner. I'm going to draw the winner tonight at midnight when the contest actually ends, but I wanted to go ahead and film this so that I can release it. So the winner is, I'm going to put it on the screen. Congratulations to you. Your prize, since I didn't announce the prize throughout the whole contest. This contest, by the way, was a test. I wanted to test out the Gleam app website, see how the contest worked, see if there was a good, see if it drew a lot of people in, because I've got some big giveaways coming up soon. On Instagram, Joe Pierce Maker on Instagram, I'm about to hit 1,000 followers on there, and I'm going to do an Instagram giveaway. And then here on YouTube, this giveaway has helped grow my channel a bit, and getting closer and closer to that 1,000 mark. And on the 1,000 mark, I'm going to do a freaking awesome giveaway, and you want to be there for that. Go ahead and subscribe. So, congratulations again to... Your prize is this lidded box that I made. This is made out of Purple Heart. Purple Heart is kind of a pain in the butt to work with. It's not hard to turn. Finishing it is a bit of an issue, because whenever you cut it, it's not purple anymore. It turns kind of brown, kind of greenish brown sometimes. And then you have to let it sit and turn purple again. What I've found is if I put finish on it, if I put oil or friction polish or anything like that on it before it turns purple, it doesn't turn to the right color of purple. If I let it sit unfinished for a while, it turns purple, and then I can put the finish on it. So this lidded box, Purple Heart, it's got my emblem on the bottom. It has a insert made out of Osage orange. I got this idea from George Watkins. He has a YouTube channel, but mostly he's on Instagram. From the Wood on Instagram. He's awesome. Go follow him. He makes stuff so much cooler than me, and one day I may be up to his level, but it's going to take a lot of practice. Purple Heart, Osage orange, and then it's got this little inside lid. Also an idea from George Watkins. So yeah, this thing's super cool, and I hope that you enjoy it. Congratulations again. Keep an eye out for the next giveaway. And we're going to keep having some fun here in the shop. Check out my website, joepiercemaker.com. It should be easy to remember, right? Because that's my name, joepiercemaker.com. I got some of my stuff for sale up there. Got the secret wood pot. I think I'm going to put the yo-yo up for sale. The sphere, maybe. I don't know if I want to sell it or keep it. My original sphere is up for sale. So check that out and buy some stuff, some of this cool stuff. Last thing I wanted to mention was Reclaimed Audio. I want to thank these guys. They've been a big inspiration for a lot of the stuff that I've done. They inspire me to use these reclaimed materials, to reclaim my failures, and just make stuff all the time. Thanks for watching. Keep an eye out. The video for this one will be coming out very soon. A couple days probably. I'm still in the editing phase. Thanks for watching. Come back soon. Congratulations too. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.